Hello, this is Jammal. Today is July 31st, 2025. I'm going to play for you guys Abibu Oluwa's song that he did for Rahimi Alade Ligali. And it goes like this. Ilahi o agbèrè bá ẹ, Ilahi o agbèrè bá ẹ, ọmọ Ligali, Ilahi o agbèrè bá ẹ, Rahimi Alade ọmọ ní mọ́tà mi o, Ṣakirudini mi o, bàbá ní mọ́tà mi o, Olúṣẹ́gun Fọláràn wọn o, Ràṣídátù mi o, bàbá Fátáì mi o, bàbá Ṣakiru mi o, bàbá Rímọ́nù mi o, bàbá Rílíwánù mi o, bàbá Rílíwánù mi o. Gbọ́nmágbẹ́ ló sọ fún ẹ ní ohun tóhùn ẹ kó máa ṣe, ó lára tóhùn ẹ kó máa dá, olójú òní tiẹ̀ o, Abdulrahimi bàbá ìsìlámì bàbá bí ọdún. Ilahi o, Ilahi o kó gbèrè bá ẹ, Ilahi o kó gbèrè bá ẹ, ọmọ Ligali, Ilahi o kó gbèrè bá ẹ, mi Alade ọkọ káyà náà tù mí o, yàtù mí o, ọkọ Fátímọ́tà mi o, bàbá Mọ́tàláyì, bàbá ìsìlámì bàbá bí ọdún. Aya Isa Ikangidi Aya Isa Guwa. That last line, that's northern Nigerian dialect. That's northern. That's not Yoruba. Abibu is a Yoruba man from the southwestern part of Nigeria, precisely Lagos Island. In this composition, it goes with Ilahi o agbèrè bá ẹ. Ilahi is another name for Almighty God by Muslim. Ilahi Alawura. So it's another name for God or Allah. Ilahi o agbèrè bá ẹ. God will bring you good fortune. That's the opening line. In the first verse, it goes, Rahimi ọmọ ní mọ́tà mi o, bàbá Ṣakirudini mi o, and then he layer the rest of Rahimi Alade's offspring, which is common among Yorubas, that they're defined by their characteristics, and one of their characteristics is their lineage. Who are your parents? Who are your offspring? Who are your immediate older siblings? Who are your younger siblings? Who are your wives, your spouse? So on the first verse, he layer Rahimi Alade, Omo, son of, or child of, Omo Nimota mi o, child of Nimota. So we know that Nimota is a female name, Muslim girl's name. So we know that Rahimi Alade Ligali's mom, her first name was Nimota. Then after he said that, then he layer his children, Shakiruddin, Nimota, Olusegun, Rashidatu, Fatai, Shakiru, Ramonu, Rilwan. Then in the middle portion, ó ní agbọ́nmágbẹ ló sọ fún ẹ, ó ní ohun tó wù ẹ́ kó máa ṣe. Who is agbọ́nmágbẹ? Agbọ́nmágbẹ is a nickname for initial first indigenous bank, Nigerian bank. It was by a Yoruba man called Chief Matthew Adekoya Okupe. The bank later became Wema Bank. It was established in 1945, May 2nd, 1945. So that tells me that this song, Abibu cut it post May 2nd, 1945. So the song will have been probably 1945, thereafter, till about maybe early 1950s. And it goes ahead and talk about how Agbomagbe and Rahimi Ligali, they are friends, they are close buddies. Agbomagbe ló sọ fún ẹ bóun tó wọ̀n ẹni kò máa ṣe, ó náírà tó wọ̀n ẹni kò máa dá, ó ní ojú òní tiẹ̀ o. Abdulrahimi, Baba Islamiyya, Baba Biodun. Then in the second verse of the song, when he goes, Ilahi o agbe rere báyìí, Ilahi o agbe rere báyìí, ọmọ Ligali, Ilahi o agbe rere báyìí. Then he goes, Rahimi Alade, ọkọ Àyọ̀ká ìyáná tù mí o, ọkọ Ganiya tù mí o, ọkọ Fatimota mi o, Baba Nimota Lai, Baba Islamiyya, Baba Biodun. So in the second verse, he now says, Oko, husband of. Then he started layering the spouse. Àyọ̀ká ìyáná too, Ganiya too, Fatimota. Then he layered a few of his kids too. Baba Nimota Lai mi o, Baba Islamiyya, Baba Abiodun. Biodun, short for Abiodun. Then he finished the song with Alaya is a Bubangidi Aya Isakwa. It's a northern dialect. It's pretty much saying God's blessing be upon all of us. We will all be blessed with good tidings for our Creator. Now let's do the drum. With the drum, at the lead drummer on this was Mimilọla. At the beginning, he most of the time was doing parallelism with the lyrics. Ilahi o agbe rere báyìí, Ilahi o agbe rere báyìí, and then Mimi pull from there and gbe rere bá wa Elédùmarè, gbe rere bá wa àtèmi àti rẹ. Gbé rere bá wa, Ọlọ́run ọba. Gbé rere bá wa, àtèmi àti rẹ. Gbé rere bá wa. Then he flip again. Elédùmarè. Gbé rere bá wa, Ọlọ́run ọba. Gbé rere bá wa, àtèmi àti rẹ. Something I picked up in this song was when Abibu got to the portion where he was singing, Agbọ́n má gbẹ ló sọ fún ẹ, olóhun tó hùn ẹ́ kó máa ṣe. Mimi hit it. Mimi hit the drum. Gbọ́n 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 kò bẹ̀rẹ̀ gbọ́n. When we go through the drum beat, you guys will catch that. The moment Abibu was saying, Agbọ́n má gbẹ ló sọ fún ẹ, olóhun tó hùn ẹ́ kó máa ṣe. Gbọ́n 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 bẹ̀rẹ̀ gbọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ gbọ́n. When Ugbara Reda. After that, then he started singing praise of Abibu. Ugbara Reda, Ugbara Reda, Ọmọ Balógun. Ugbara Reda, Ọmọ Balógun. Ugbara Reda, Ugbara Reda, Ọmọ Balógun. Ugbara Reda. Ugbara Reda, Ọmọ Balógun. Ugbara Reda, Ọmọ Egungun Jọbí. Ugbara Reda. So Yoruba in those days, they would call them, the foreigner would call themselves Ọmọ Egungun Jọbí. And say so, but Egungun is a personification of our foreigners that are past. So they would say, Ọmọ Egungun Jọbí. Ugbara Reda, Ọlátúnjí Egungun Jọbí. Kàkà kó ká wọn mọ́dò, ó ká wọn mọ́lé, ó ká wọn mọ́lé. Kàkà kó ká wọn mọ́dò, ó ká wọn mọ́lé. Then in between, Mimi was filling space later on for a duration. Ligali, 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 Ligali. While Abibu was singing about Ligali, Rahimi Alade Ligali, Mimi was inside Ligali, Ligali, Ligali. Then to wrap the song up, he went back again to ó ká wọn mọ́lé, kàkà kó ká wọn mọ́dò, ó ká wọn mọ́lé. Egungun Jọbí Abibu Ọmọ Balógun. Funny enough, that drum beat, kàkà kó ká wọn mọ́dò, ó ká wọn mọ́lé, is beat for Egungun masquerade, Yoruba Egungun masquerade, that's called Akanimodo. Akanimodo, kàkà kó ká wọn mọ́dò, ó ká wọn mọ́lé. Let's hear it. Let's hear the drum beat. It's coming. I got my baby drum bass. Ó lára tó kó máa dá, olójú òní ti ara ẹ̀gbà ọmọ balógun ara ẹ̀dá ẹ̀gúngún jọ̀bí gbàgbàrà ẹ̀dá àbíbù ọgbà ó gbàrà ẹ̀dá ọ̀làtúnjì ó ká wọn mọ́lé. Ó ká wọn mọ́lé jọ̀bí àbíbù ọmọ balógun lédè àyà ìsàkóńwá. Ìgúngún jọ̀bí àbíbù ọmọ balógun. I'll pull it back a bit for you guys to catch that. Káwọn mọ́lé kàkà kó káwọn mọ́dò. Ó ká wọn mọ́lé ìgúngún jọ̀bí àbíbù ọmọ balógun. Lédè àyà ìsàkóńwá. Mimi likes throwing that in to provoke Abibu. Only. Ọlọ́run ọba gbére rere bá wa, Elédùmarè gbére rere bá wa. Then as it's rolling down, it kept rolling down. Ali. Until he got to ọmọ Ìgúngún jọ̀bí ó gbàrà rẹ̀ dá. Ọmọ Ìgúngún jọ̀bí Àbíbù ọmọ balógun. Ó ká wọn mọ́lé. Ó ká wọn mọ́lé kàkà kó ká wọn mọ́dò. Now, some of you that are into the Sakara genre, you probably will say, I've heard that lyrics before. Ilahi Alade Ligali. Yes. Yusuf Olatunji recycled that song. Like I've told you guys in the past, àkùkọ ńlá ni àkùkọ kékeré máa ń wò láti kọ́ bó ṣe ń kọ. The young male chick tends to study the mature rooster on how to crow. At the early phase, the young teenage rooster can't really crow real well. They coo, 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 coo. Sounds like what you. At the beginning, you won't recognize what they're trying to say. Later on, they start coo, 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 coo. But the adult rooster ó lè akọ ayé á tún kọ jálẹ̀ dọ́rùn kúkúrú á tún fà á. So àkọ́kọ́ kékeré we study the mature rooster on how to crow, and then he will pick it up. Then once he gets to his own full maturation, then he will start rolling with his own style. So if you study Sakara long enough, you would see that the best of them, they will study Abibu and they will pick his materials till they can fly high on their own. Go study them. Yusuf, Lefty Salami, Ejire Oseni, Sakala Igbade, Rhino Akinbami, pick any of them. Now, let's lock in the fact that Yusuf Olatunji recycle this song. It goes like this. Let's go hear Yusuf Olatunji's version. He did it in volume 1. And in addition to this song, there are other Abibu Oluwa songs that Yusuf also used in his formative phase. Several in his Babao songs and some of his earlier volumes. Bunch of Abibu's work. Okay, so let's look at this one. Volume 1. Surat Jambo le Shukuta. Ilahi o agbèrè bá ẹ. 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 I want to pause it. I want you guys to watch how he used exact format that Abibu used to compose this song. Ilahi o agbèrè bá ẹ. Ilahi o agbèrè bá ẹ. Then he will insert Suraka to a kid's name. And then it's going to go and say, Ilahi o agbèrè bá ẹ. Then I'll say, Omo. Exact format. Then he will start laying his attributes. His children's name. The same format. Let's go. Sàkínátù mi o. Ọkọ Rábíyátù mi o. Ọkọ Táyìbátù mi o. Ọkọ Rábátù mi o. Ọkọ Fàlílátù mi o. Ọkọ Áúlátù mi o. Bàbá Tàófíkì mi o. Bàbá Mọ̀rúfù mi o. Bàbá Bílíkísù mi o. Bàbá Fátímátà mi o. Bàbá Sálímọ́nù mi o. Bàbá Múyìbátù mi. Olúwa ló ń jọ Sùràkàtù. You guys get it? I go back and I play Abibu version one more time, and we'll wrap it up. Rahimi Alade I'm going to pause it for the benefit of people that might just want to hear Abibu's version clean. I'm going to try and zip it. So I'm going to pull it back and replay it. káwọn mọ́lé kàwé, káwọn mọ́dò, káwọn mọ́lé Abibu ọmọ Balógun. Leave a comment. Leave your comments. You guys remain blessed.